how to increase or decrease the assistant menu transparency on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down. Then in here, tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then you tap on assistant menu. Next, go down. And in here, go to the transparency section. And in here, you can drag on the slider bar to the left to reduce the transparency. If you want to increase the transparency, you can drag it to the right. And if you go all the way to the right, you can see the assistance menu is faintly visible. So it blends quite well in with the background. And if you place it on top of another icon, it is very hard to see where it is. And that's it. So that's how you can change the transparency. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.